In this video, I will discuss how to represent a signal as a function of a step signal and a ramp signal. So this is the signal given from -4 to 0 to 2 to 4 to 8, and this amplitude is 10, this amplitude is -8. So when there is a change in amplitude, then we represent it by a step signal, and when there is a change in slope, then we represent it by a ramp signal. And if there is a change in both amplitude and slope, then there is both step and ramp present at that point of time. So at t equal to -4, there is a change in only in amplitude, there is no change in slope. So it is represented by a step signal at t equal to -4. So this is the ut plus 4 with amplitude 10. So it is the 10 ut plus 4. At 0, there is only a change in slope. There is no change in there is change in slope, and there is no sudden change in amplitude. Unit step signal represents sudden change in amplitude. So at t equal to 0, there is a ramp signal with slope -5, because in 2 instant of time the amplitude is changing by 10. So we write it as -5 r of t. Then at t equal to 2, there is a change in slope as well, and there is sudden change in amplitude also. We can see that there is a sudden jump in amplitude, and the slope is also changing. So the slope is getting reduced to 0 here. So it is represented by a +5 of rt minus 2, because slope goes from -5 to 0. So we represent it by 5 rt minus 2, and the sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 10, so it is represented by 10 u of t minus 2. So at t equal to 2, there is both ramp signal and a step signal. Then at t equal to 4, there is only the change in slope, there is no sudden change in amplitude. So it is represented by a ramp signal, and the slope is -18/4, because amplitude changes from 10 to -8. Amplitude decreases from 10 to -8 within 4 units of time, from 4 to 8. So the slope is -18/4, and the ramp signal is at t equal to 4. So it is given by -18/4 r of t minus 4. Then at t equal to 8, the slope suddenly goes to 0, from -18/4 to 0. So it is represented by 18/4 r of t minus 8. Also there is a change in amplitude from -8 to +0. So we represent it by 8 u of t minus 8, because the amplitude here is -8 and here it is 0. So there is a +8 change in amplitude. So it is given by a unit step signal u of t minus 8 and 8. So when there is when there is only a sudden change in amplitude, then we use only a step signal. When there is only sudden change in slope, then only ramp signal. But when there is change in slope and sudden change in amplitude as well, then we can say that there are both ramp and step signal present at that point of time. Like at -4, there is only step signal, because there is only sudden change in amplitude. But at t equal to 2, there is ramp signal as well as step signal, because amplitude is also changing and slope is also changing from -5 to 0. So this is how we solve these questions. Thank you. For any feedbacks and comments, please leave in the comment section below. Please leave please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.